Welcome to the Endless Bull Run.
Good morning.
Thanks for tuning into this one.
Gonna trade some Bitcoin and some NQ this morning.
Let's have some fun.
Let me get this all set up here in a minute.
Endless Bull Run, Sam's on the screen, calling those ticks like a money machine. TD rates fractal in a neon grid. Swing high, swing low, that's the bit he did. Endless Bull Run chart in his hand. Zoom out, fam, got a long-term plan. From politics scripts to crypto flips, Sam's new campaign is these candlestick tips. Endless Bull Run, Sam says one more leg. TD rates fractal in his head like a pledge. Break of structure, we jump off the ledge, then it wicks back up and we still feel blessed. 1 minute trader, heart rate danger, 15-minute thinker, swing trade ranger. 4-hour chef, let it simmer in the zone. Dutch oven hot, he just calls it home. Oh yeah. It's time to go long. This time it can't go wrong.
Same thing as normal. Still milking this Warbucks eval. Almost hit our exact level from the other day. Obviously we had massive move overnight. Could possibly be consolidating here today, right? Into this 4-hour gap. Might just shop here. War news is all over the place. We got a ceasefire, we got a non-ceasefire, we got a whatever. Yeah. Okay, let's look at some levels here. This could be interesting. This could be a swing low. Candle 4. We want candle 5 to push. We'll see what this next 15-minute does in 5-ish minutes, 5.5 minutes.
Fractal fam, it just rhymes quicker. I'm deep red, still clicking like Sam. I'm holding till I'm richer.
There we go. And some levels marked out here.
Endless Bull Run, ride it too close. If it all rubs, that's how it goes.
It's in this fair value gap, right? So we want to see it inverse. This might be holding it down.
Am hits live and the bullishness grows. Fractal snipers. Show that you care, like, subscribe, and share. Fractal
Oops.
snipers. Show that you care, like, subscribe, and share.
I'll get it right. Here we go. Trying to pull some fibs just to see where this might go. All the way back down to this wick. And that fair value up there. What's up, Willa? Can you hear me all right? Trying something different with the mic. Saw that you had a nice winter. Getting used to that Asia magic. Well, Asia wasn't probably too bad to be trading last night, right? Good, good. Thanks, Willa. Just looking here on Bitcoin. 15-minute fair value gap getting hung up on. Could be creating a swing low for continuation down. So I guess I should probably find some down targets here. Does it invert this in the next candle or two? I am looking at another raid. Yeah, they go fight that FOMO so you can get a better winner, right? The best revenge trade is waiting for your setup. I think I'm going to coin that. I think it's really important. Put that mindset there. The best revenge trading is waiting for your A+ setup. That's how you get back into market. Oh, that short was from this morning. Nice. Took a trade on my funded here on this break. It chopped forever. I got out of it. It was a little bit something like this is what I was looking for. Wasn't giving me exactly 1 to 2 R. Obviously it did finally give it, but I bailed somewhere in here off this reaction. Wasn't going to hold it in the chop, and it did chop forever. Chopped for almost an hour. Finally gave it though. Oh, this, yeah, that was VWAP. Holding that up, you're exactly right, Willa. That was VWAP. Didn't want to break it. So I think I made $14 on my funded account. I'm still only trading one. I'm not going to be copy trading anything or any self-funded until this action starts becoming cleaner. This was nice and smooth through here. I didn't get in any of it though. That's why I was getting in on this one, this continuation here. It just didn't offer it to me. I'm looking for downside here. So if wants to offer it. Have an obvious fair value gap there. Two minutes into this 15-minute candle. Look at this. Look at that tape bomb. Strong reaction. Honestly, don't like how these candles, the movement of the candles on this DX trader work. It's not smooth. It's choppy. I think a lot of people got their trades in this morning and enjoying the rest of the day. Not a bad idea. Can't believe it snowed here yesterday. There's no snow still on the ground. Silver moon, huh? The old retracement too. Head shoulder decapitation. Still looking dumpy. So that was just a pullback on that 15. It's going to continue upwards some more. I want to look at this. Let's look at the regular trading hour chart. Let's look at a bear with nothing on it. A little bit of gap, huh? A little bit of gap. It's like it just like levitated, made a little flying carpet. Everything's playing games. How far is this going to retrace? Okay, back to Bitcoin. This is Chop City, of course. I'm always jumping on at 11:30, so it's about time for it to chop and settle into for lunch. Bitcoin's like, no, I'm having issues with this fair value gap. I don't feel like going through it. Let's go big candle 2 here. That's what I thought about this one, though. Over divergence. And then a fib. And then about the 705. 618 held. Gonna be redoing most of my office here in a bit too. Just thinking about it. Doesn't sound fun. I'm getting my new computer at the end of the month, so I want to everything ready for it. This is where patience comes in, I guess, huh? Some of the best entries were right before we went live. Now we're just stuck in this grind chop. Right before we went live too. Soup players could have souped that 786, 618 there. Wrote it to at least. Maybe it might be going here. We can get through this. Another exciting day. I can trade shitcoins on I do have to search for them. Oh, they give me a default watch list. Does it have everything we can trade on it? Maybe. Little red, huh? I don't know about that. I didn't know about that data window there. That's kind of cool. I'm indecisive at this point because of this fair value gap, and I can be making a candle 2 on this. Hit the aim with the Dutch oven. Yeah, no joke, right? Let's see what Farcoin is doing. Oh, Farcoin's way more bullish than Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's struggling here. Farcoin's pushing up through it. Also didn't have that fair value gap on the 15 either. Dutch oven may be telling us to long Bitcoin. But that doesn't look right. Okay, here's a new 15-minute. See if it respects this or rides it. See how price just sits there for a while. I have to research where they pulled their data from. Because it seems sketch. Anybody else trade with like another crypto prop that uses DX Trader? You know where they pull their crypto data from? Suppose we can learn something together here. I'm going to look it up. See if ChatGPT knows. Okay, according to ChatGPT, it depends on the firm. Because DX Trader is just, or DX Trader, whatever the hell it's called, is just the interface. Okay, so we're going to have to go per prop. Well, it says he's found it closest on breakout to Coinbase. I think if I just tag Warbucks, they'll answer. They're pretty good about answering my questions, which is kind of nice. Well, it looks like Fartcoin's about to flag on the 15-minute. We're up 700 points on the NQ today on the NQ, yeah. That's crazy. We've only had a 200-point range, 250-point range. In New York. So we broke that high here. Could do a little bit of this, I guess. Keep on drawing that, see if we're gonna get a reversal in this. Let's respect that. It doesn't have to because this candle's not closed, but we'll see if that's the top of this candle right now. It's just so lethargic through this fair value gap. This is where we needed to get in, but we missed that boat. The 4-hour looks funny as hell. Nothing clean on NQ or Bitcoin right now. I get back into my workout routine after a long time and it's feeling good. Today's a rest day, but I can already feel the energy coming back. Don't need as much coffee. I want to short this so bad, but it's not really giving me anything to work with. If that just kind of reversed in no man's land. The 1 minute didn't even get to that fair value gap reverse. It's kind of... Well, that order block, it went short of that too. New hourly coming up. Let's take a look. This could make my one of my windmill patterns, but a bearish windmill. This is actually a good example of the windmill pattern I talk about, where there's a kind of a substantial pullback within the candle, but then keeps going in the trend. On the 1 minute, these would be called like a little micro pullback, but it's like a little hour. It's, I guess, relatively speaking, it's micro. And then the blast. This could be doing the same thing here, but down. See, there's another good example of a windmill. So that is this, and then it'll come back down. Not too bullish on this move. Just chopping. I'm not seeing too many charts in the discords. I think a lot of people are sidelining or got their trades in last night. Morning, Bluff Oris. How's it going? What short are you in NQ or Bitcoin? If you want, you can give your TP and your stop loss. We'll throw it up. Because I'm kind of hunting a short on Bitcoin. I don't like how this is taking so long to just grind up. And this did everything I expected it to. I just couldn't get into it. Like I discussed earlier, I freaking went short here. And then got caught in this crap. Closed it out for, let's say break even. Up like $14 on one funded. Finally went to my Asia low target that I had. Then some, almost all the way down to the 4. And I just walked away for a while. Then came back and now it's back to chopping. So I think I missed that pump and now I'm waiting for the dump back down. You're short from 72.4. You got in last night, huh? Nice. First TP at 770.3. Makes sense. That's where I want it to head. Got classic cat ears, right? Looks more like an owl to me. I don't know why. The slowest, most painful retrace here. See where VWAP is. Well, we're right on it again. NQ is above VWAP. 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 Oh, good. That was a pretty good entry. You don't always need to get the very top right or very bottom. It was one of the few 786 I had drawn. Also higher time frame. 1.114. Some confluence there. Little baby windmill. Can't make the market do what we want. The market's going to do what it wants. Seems like it's a slow grind. It's either going to blow up or fall back down. This is only like a $250 move. I'm almost ready to long this. Just so it will go short. Oh, I forget Bitcoin has different freaking times for the 4-hour candles and stuff like that. Shit. So we got a new 4-hour candle in Bitcoin. Blair, can I show that on stream? That's what Blair had for his short. Fibbies. Yeah, there's that 1.114 you were talking about. Got in here. By the looks of it. I was just riding it down. Looks like it still wants to go down. Nice. Oh, do the same thing at the all-time high. Well, that's not good if you're bullish. Let's see what I drew out last night here. See if I can find it. Let's see if it played out. Shared this. Said if that closed above 70,000, this would be an order block on the 4-hour that we could chop here to even retrace for a bit. Then we could pop off back to 80. But this is 4 hours, so this takes a long time to play out, and a lot of stuff can happen, especially with the news cycle now. But see, so let's go to actual. They're just chopping around here, right? Sort of. If that's the top, let's pull some fibs. Could come back all the way down to 78.8. Select this box somewhere in here. And that would still be bullish, right? That's for value gap it's stuck in, yep. I deleted this one. Got through this first major one that I was having issues with. Now it's in the second one. That might even be a 786 coming up. It is. Too much news-driven bull crap. Didn't miss anything on NQ. Still kind of this lethargic. It's only 100 points. $110 points. Here we go. 4-hour Bitcoin is starting to. That might be the wick of that 4-hour. I might take a shot at this. Another thing I don't like is I don't like not the best, but I was tired of waiting for it. So what we're doing is we're thinking that this is going to be the wick of the 4-hour. If it's not, oh well. Let's see. I think that the wick of the 4-hour has been created. We have. Usually you want to wait for a change of state of delivery down here. It's more of a gamble style here. It's not moving very fast at all either. Not the best setup. So the price just stays there for like way too long. This was me being impatient and getting into a trade. With this price action, this might take the rest of the day to play out. Other take profit could be here or here. Uh-oh. Gonna get stopped out. Might take another shot at it if I do. Or I might just rage quit. Because I lost $15 on my funded. Oh yeah, we were talking about this Monday. I need to break things when I lose. Gets all the views. Oh, and I need to be on demo. I'm not confident in this trade anymore. This reaction here. New 15-minute. Okay, 15-minute. That's enough of a wick for you. Okay, well, if I lose, I'm full porting. I don't know what that means with on these what are they called? Crypto prop firms. Okay, I almost have enough money for a large Diet Coke at McDonald's. They're $1.89. That's including tax. Told myself I was going to increase the size limit on this eval 2, and I didn't. Was this 0.07 Bitcoin? Maybe with the 10 next trades. Price action, what to do? Just hanging around. Oh no. Gonna get caught in this chop. Oh, she's coming for me for sure. Let's see what the 4 hour looks like. Yeah, that's what it feels like. That the PA is just waiting for news. Exactly how I feel, Blair. If this doesn't take me out, it's going to be a miracle. Little boop, clean that up, then back down. Just like no follow through on anything. I feel like it's so choppy. Well, no, just so like, yeah, look at that. Like, I don't like the way these candles print at all. It was short from 75,772. It's a hell of a short. These bastards are coming for me. Really stop should be up here, but I'm not moving it. Because I was playing that 4-hour wick. It's holding for now, but there we go. Oh, what just happened? Why didn't you stop me out? Oh yeah, this happened last time too. This is so dumb. I hate this platform. Let's ride this long now. Make up some of that loss. So dumb. Okay, I lost way too much on that, guys. I lost 15 bucks. Fees are ridiculous, and I forget when you put in a stop and a limit, for some reason it treats it as a whole new trade. What happened, Willa? This platform is dumb, and I'm as dumb as the platform. I'm just kidding. No, what happened was I marketed into a trade. Right, I marketed in, and then I manually put the sell and the stop like this. Right, so I marketed in, and then I manually put this sell and the stop, and it treats it as a whole nother trade. So like my stop was a buy order, right? Because it was in a short. It hit that and it bought and kept both trades open. So I was hedging for a second. Hopefully I don't breach my account for it. Yeah, so I went long instead of a stop loss. So I had 2 trades going. I mean, that's how I normally do it on TradingView on NQ. It's so dumb. It should close out the trade, right? Isn't that how it works? Apparently not on these platforms. I knew that. I forgot it though. I haven't taken any trades. Not many trades in this. I mean, now, watch out. I think I'm 1 for 10. Crap. My win rate's only 78% now. I do really good on Tuesdays and Fridays. Wednesdays are my worst days. I've lost $3 on Wednesdays. Now more, because I just lost $15 on. I gotta stop trading Wednesdays. Average winning trade, that's a long time for me. 0.2 hours. Probably because of the trading time that I'm trading. It's 11 o'clock. Well, Willa told me that I now need to full port a revenge trade. Oh, wait. Warbucks has consistency rules and all that horse shit. Hi. Dog's looking at me funny. I'm gonna go on Twitter. Let's take a look at Twitter for a second. If you guys aren't following me on Twitter, it's at Endless Bull Run. I actually don't troll many people on it. Maybe Apex every so often. Thanks for the follow, Belicio. Two good people to follow right here, T-Trades and Champagne. They're both good. Lumi's really good if you want to try trade gold and silver. Yeah, no joke. Oh, here's that short coming. I knew it was going to stop me out, and then it's going to start printing. I was just a little early. Yeah, Twitter. You have to make it your algorithm right. Just don't click or pause on anything that you don't want to see on your feed. Right, hold on, I'll show you right here. Because, like, I'm trying to not do anything with politics on this Twitter account, right? But I find myself doing it anyways, right? Got the Celtic stuff. So what I'm trying to do here is try to make this a little bit better. So I interact with, I don't even know what he said. I'm just going to like it, right? And then just like try to stay away from anything that's political, right? Scroll back quick. Pause on the trading one. Pause on this. Give it a little. That's how you beat the algorithm. You don't give it attention to where you don't want things to be. So if you don't want politics, don't pause on it. So now I'm gonna get a lot of Celtics stuff. This was a good game last night. You guys see the Celtics play the Hornets last night? Well, if I didn't use a stop loss, I'd be right back at my entry. Building a position there would have been better, I suppose. Okay, guys, that's going to be it for me. I'm not going to wait for these 15-minute candles to print. I'm going to go enjoy a lunch, and go play with the dogs, and enjoy the rest of the afternoon. Valeria, get your homework done. I think I distracted you enough. Willa, thanks for hanging. Thanks, everyone, for hanging. I will see you most likely Friday, unless I feel like jumping on Thursday afternoon, but most likely not. Probably Friday. Thanks again. Like and subscribe, and peace.